My name is Rehanuma Tarannum and I studied embedded electronics engineering at LTH. I joined Ericsson 3 years back and I'm the part of the integration team. When I was looking for my master degree program and my bachelor background was in electrical and electronics engineering, I did some courses as a major from electronics subjects, and then I found it interesting and I was looking for pursuing my master degree, and I saw the LTH course curriculum for embedded electronics engineering, and I found those courses are interesting, as well as I feel like this subject knowledge is very vast and allows to move on various different sector to explore. I think the first thing is because Ericsson makes the ASICs, and I studied embedded systems, and there the ASICs is one of the I studied about it, the whole ASIC flow and stuff. So I wanted to implement my educational learning into my work life, and of course I was looking for a company who works with the ASICs. So, and obviously Ericsson is the best suit for that. And everyone knows about Ericsson. I mean, it's a big company. It has a good career growth. You can explore different sectors and based on your interest. So it's definitely would be anyone's most interesting place to work with. And it's a very global company, so you have an opportunity to learn different cultures and peoples, and of course feeling like a big part of the move. ASIC stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit, and it's a hardware specifically built for specific applications to implement in the hardware, and it's built with the integrated circuit, so it's application specific hardware, you can think. In the integration team, we integrate all the blocks for our ASIC, and what I enjoy most about this particular team is that we have the opportunity to see the ASIC from the bird's eye view, because we have a close collaboration with the system architect, so that gives an opportunity to know about the systemizations, and with our day-to-day interaction with the system architect, we get to know a lot about that part. We also closely collaborate with the designer and the back-end team, so we are sitting in the middle and holding all parts of it and tying them together to make the flow easy and to stitch all the blocks. And I think each day there is a new challenge to solve, and it needs to go very fast. And it is also interesting because you have a big exposure, you can learn different things, you have easy access to different parts of the things. I think this learning and applying the knowledge, for me at least, it happened both ways. I learned a lot of things in university through the projects, like how to think begin with, and then how to end up with it, the whole ASIC flow in a short through this course, different courses, and also the deeper understanding about it. But I think a lot of things I learned that time maybe was not clear to me, but when I started working, I actually could recall that learning and make it a match. So for me, this learning, started at LTH, but it is still continuing and it is still going on. So it is both way, I would say, for me worked. So my first interaction with Ericsson was during a course called Embedded System Design. So we had a guest lecturer from Ericsson who came to the class and gave us an overview of what Ericsson does and things like that. This interaction between LTH and Ericsson actually helped me to prepare myself for the future work. When I first met the representative of the Ericsson during the ARCAD program, so I actually had the opportunity to talk and know what the company is doing and what is the what is their recruitment process, what sort of work they are doing. And then I could actually imagine myself, I mean, being as a foreign student, I was not very known about work culture and working ways. So I think that kind of conversations and interaction helped me to prepare myself to know which company is doing what kind of things and find my interest and the courage to apply and eventually be the part of that.